Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working on P0480. You probably get drivetrain warning issue on this is a Mini Countryman 1.5 petrol, by the way. So if you're getting this warning, it's a very hot, I wouldn't say the easiest job to do in the world. You may have to get underneath, turn the tray off and whatnot, but I'll guide you to where this is. I wouldn't recommend driving the car because if that's not working, then you may overheat the engine and you're going to cost yourself an engine or head gasket, should we say. That is to do with this here. This is the sensor it plugs in. It's the actual main fan of the car, as you can see here. So long story short, it could be a blown fuse. What we would recommend is check the fusing and make sure that the fuse hasn't blown, because it's common, it happens. If the fusing's okay and the wiring to that's okay, then it's actually the motor on the fan. So I'd advise you don't have to get new, which is going to cost you a fair amount, but it may be cheap anyway, we don't know. It's always not far off with the used market. So get one, obviously check it out, see if it does work and the motor's fine, and then put it on, because you don't want to put everything on and then test it after. Test it before you do, and recommendation would be to actually plug it in. And then if you're using this, so for example, we're going to do actuation test, general, and we're going to do electric fan, activate. So like this one, as you can see. So we now know it works. Obviously to get to it is going to be a bit of a ball ache, because you're going to have to dismantle quite a few amount of things here, even this here, all these bolts, as far as I know. I could be wrong, unless you're very handy and do it differently, or get underneath as well, take the tray off and work from the bottom. But please do activate it, make sure it works fully fine, and then fit it on and put everything back on, because you're going to cost yourself time, that's all. But that's how you do it, and then once you have, clear the fault code and jobs are good.